Good morning, Doctor. We are from Group 1. Today, we would like to present our business math report. These are our group members. Our group have 7 members. Now, I will pass to the first person to present his part.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Daisy and metric number A22B0093. I will be presenting question 1. Well, our company name is Bookworm Enterprise, which is located at Karong Berkunci, 36, Bengkalan Cepa 16100, Kota Baru, Kelantan. The business is established on 1st January 2023 and I'm the owner of it.
Next, I'm taking 3 of the employees from 10 in the company to make examples. The table shows the company's employees' name, their department, hourly work per week, and their hourly pay. In here, we can notice that there are differences in hourly work per week and hourly pay for different employees from each department respectively. Next, this is the example of payroll report for Bookworm Enterprise. From the table, we can notice that Go have the highest hourly rate due to his high-ranking position, whereas Chloe and Mark has their own piecework earning and commission respectively, as they stand for what their departments needed. Here are some of the calculations from different terms. Firstly, regular pays formula is hourly rate times with regular hours. Secondly, overtime pays formula is overtime rate times with overtime rate work. Thirdly, commission formula is total sales times with commission rate, whereas piecework earning formula is piece rate per unit times with number of units produced. Lastly, gross pays formula is all of the earning total up. The calculations are shown at the right-hand side. Thank you.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Goh Jian Chong, number matrix A22A0194. Now, I will present questions 2A, which is table and description. This is Table 1A. It shows an overview of our owner's Daisian's assets and liabilities for the Busno business. It shows that the total amount estimated to start up our Busno business is 200,000 ringgit. Our owner Daisian's own capital is in the amount of 65,000 ringgit as our company startup fund for the business without any interest charge, and the future value remain unchanged. Next, the loan from his relative Wong Siu Moi is 35,000 ringgit with the interest rate of 2% for 30 months, and Daisian needs to make a payment for the loan of 36,750 ringgit to his relative after 30 months, including the interest amount, which is 1,750 ringgit. Besides that, Daisy also needs to make a payment for the loan of 114,401 ringgit 78 cents to Bank XYZ after 5 years, including the interest amount of 14,401 ringgit 78 cents, as the loan from Bank XYZ is 100,000 ringgit with the interest rate of 2.7% compound quarterly for 5 years. The future value for Bookworm Enterprise financial scenario will be 216,151 ringgit 78 cents by summing up his own funds, all loans, and total interest amount of 16,151 ringgit 78 cents. This calculation shows the estimated total amount for our owners Daisian to start out the business, the total interest amount charged to Daisian, and also the future value of loan from relative Wong Siu Moi, and also Bank XYZ that need to pay off, and also the future value of Bookworm Enterprise financial scenario.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurata Shamji Zainal. My metric numbers is A22A1227. So this is the promissory notes for our owners, Tai Ziyan's relative and Wong Siu Mei. In the promissory note above, Tai Ziyan promised to pay to the order of Wong Siu Mei 35,000 ringgit Malaysia for a value received with interest at the rate of 2% per annum until paid after 30 months. Next is the marker of the note above is Bookworm Enterprise. The payee is Wong Siu Mei and the maturity value of the note is 36,750 ringgit Malaysia.
My name is Tilda binti Muhammad, matric number A22A0370. Able to show Bookworm Enterprise with asset used for bookstore business operation. Bookworm Enterprise has used 5 units of computers Dell Opti Black 3008 micro with the price of 3,890.60 cents per unit. 5 unit of label printer Dymo label writer 450 with the price of 2,000 per unit. 4 unit of security system heat vision 4 channel CCTV system with the price of 1,588 per unit. 50 unit of bookshelf and display unit IKEA mini bookcase with the price of 1,736 per unit and 3 unit of sound system Boost Sound Touch SA5 amplifier with Boost 251 with the price of 2,359 per unit. The total price for 5 units of computers Dell Optiplex 3080 Micro is 19,018 and for 5 units of label printer Dymo label writer 450 is 10,000. Next, the total price for 4 units of security system heat vision for channel CCTV system is 6,352. The total price for 50 units of bookshelf and display units IKEA mini bookcase is 26,040. Lastly, total price for 3 units of sound system Boost Sound Touch SA5 amplifier with Boost 251 is 7,077.
Hi, I'm Pichang Visavaraman. The magic number is A22A0412, and now I'm going to present about 3B, which is construct deposition schedule. So we took label printer, diamond label, writer 415, which is cost RM2000. So the scrap value of printer will be 1000. So the percentage of scrap value price of printer after 5 years will be 50%. So when we calculate with the price of printer, it will be RM1000. So for straight line method, the total depreciation will be 1000 ringgit and the annual depreciation will be 200 ringgit. The rate of annual depreciation will be 20%. The book value for the first year will be 1800 ringgit. So based on the table 3, the book value for first year is 2000 ringgit. So the annual depreciation for first year will be 200, accumulated depreciation will be 200, and the book value for first year will be 1800 ringgit. So for straight line, the annual depreciation will be the same. So we have to calculate for accumulated depreciation where 200 plus 200 will be 400 ringgit in second year. Same goes to the third year, fourth year, fifth year. So fifth year will be 1000 ringgit. The book value at the end of the fifth year will be 1000 ringgit. Okay. Secondly, declining balance method. For declining balance method, the total depreciation will be the same, which is 1000 ringgit. The annual rate of depreciation will be 12.94%. So the annual depreciation for first year will be 258 ringgit 80 cent, and same goes to accumulated depreciation will be similar to annual depreciation for first year. And the book value at the end of the year of first will be 1741 ringgit 20 cent. So the after all calculations, the annual depreciation for fifth year will be 148 ringgit 68 cent, and accumulated depreciation will be 999 ringgit 72 cent, and book value at the end of fifth year will be 1000 ringgit 21 cent. So for the third method, sum of the year digits method, the S will be 50. First annual depreciation will be 333 ringgit 33 cent. And same goes will be for accumulated depreciation. The book value at the end of first year will be 1666 ringgit 67 cent. And second year will be the annual depreciation 266 ringgit 67 cent. The accumulated depreciation will be 600 and the book value will be 4. Book value will be 1400. The third will be 200 for annual depreciation. Accumulated depreciation will be 800, and the book value at the end of third year will be 1200 ringgit. The annual depreciation for fourth year will be 133 ringgit 33 cent, and the accumulated depreciation will be 933 ringgit 33 cent, and the book value at the end of fourth year will be 1066 ringgit 67 cent. For fifth year, the annual depreciation will be 66 ringgit 67 cent. Accumulated depreciation will be accurate 1000 ringgit, and the book value at the end of the year will be 1000 ringgit.
The Bookworm Enterprise received an invoice for machinery cost date on 12 February 2023 from supplier A with term 5% to per 15 and per 30 if the invoice is paid on label printer. The formula is 17th February 2023, 12th February 2023 equals 5 days. 2000, 0.05 equals 100, 2000, 100 equals 1900. So supplier A needs to receive payment from our company is 1900.
So the same method goes to question B, which is 25th February 2023. So there are 13 days from 12th February to 25th February. According to the thing, there is 2% for 15 days. So we have to calculate the 2000 ringgit multiplied with 0.02. That will be get 40 ringgit. So RM 2000 minus 40 will be 1960. So supplier A needs to receive a payment from our company for RM 1960. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Falahi Miti Kasran. My matrix number is A22B1062. I want to present about question number 4. Is our company had a bank loan RM 100,000 for the bank XYZ and the balance to be settled making 12 month payment at 2.5% compound monthly. For the 4A, the monthly payment we use formula that's bank loan 100,000 for M 12 month for K 2.5%, I equal K divide by M equal 12, T equal 1 and N empty. Our conclusion is bank loan 100,000, M12 T1 K 2.5%, and we divide equal 0.025, and MT 12 in bracket 1 bracket 12. In IKM 0.025 divided by 12, we get 0.0020833. So our monthly payment, we use the formula A equal P bracket I divide by 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket negative 12 bracket, and our P is 100,000 bracket 0.0020833 divide by 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0020833 bracket divide 12 bracket, and our company get the RM 8,446.61. So the monthly payment for our business is RM 8,446.61. And I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fatin Izzati binti Kamsani, matric number A22A1110. The next part is contract the amortization schedule. I will explain the formula and calculation. The first is interest paid. The formula is interest rate multiplied with beginning loan, and we will get the answer 208 ringgit 33 sen. The next part is total interest paid. The formula is interest paid period 1 plus interest paid period 2. We will get the answer 399 ringgit 50 sen. The third is principal paid. The formula is monthly payment minus interest paid. We will get the answer 8,238 ringgit 28 sen. The next part is total paid. The formula is monthly payment period 1 plus monthly payment period 2. We will get the answer 60,893 ringgit 22 sen. The last part is ending balance. The formula is beginning balance minus principal paid. We will get the answer 91,761 ringgit 72 sen. This is the end of our calculation of construct the amortization schedule. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's all for our group's presentation. Thank you so much.